Hey, what's it going on everyone? HowToInsider channel here. In today's video, let me show you why your iPhone won't turn on, how to check the cause yourself, and how to fix to get your phone back on again. Right now I get the iPhone 13, iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s here. They are not turning on, but not broken. In general, we could narrow down 3 key issues that are causing the iPhone not to turn on. That is underlying software glitches, charging issue involving charging cable, wall adapter, and charging port, as well as the hardware problem. Okay, now, knowing these causes, we will fix your phone in minutes. Let's go with the video. Okay guys, first thing is to plug the lightning charging cable back into the iPhone. As you can see, you don't see anything on the screen. The screen stays black. Of course, we need to use a working wired charger. I mean everything is working, like your charge cable, wall adapter, charge port and wall power outlet. Keep everything connected fine. While iPhone is charging, at this point, we do a forced restart. This step can often fix a software glitch which is likely preventing your iPhone from switching on or charging. This happens without any alert of potential issues. Force restart iPhone varies from your model. Okay, on iPhone 8 and those newer iPhones with Face ID, mine is iPhone 13, so what you need to do, you're gonna press volume up button, volume down button, and then press and hold down the side button and do not let go. I keep holding here until I see the Apple logo. On an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and power button at the same time. Keep holding. As soon as you see the Apple logo appears, release those 2 buttons. Wait and see if your iPhone turns on. On iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the home button and the power button for like 15 to 20 seconds. When the Apple logo shows up, let go the buttons. Okay, if your iPhone powers on, the forced restart works for you. But if your iPhone is still now turning on, we gonna to see what is not working. This part, what we're going to do is to look at why an iPhone won't turn on is because iPhone won't charge. So we're going to inspect the charge cable and the wall adapter your iPhone actually plugged in. To test if the cable and adapter is working properly, the most convenient and time-saving method we can do is swap them over with another ones or totally new ones, as well as plug into a different wall power outlet. Leave your iPhone charging for 10 minutes. This is really helpful if the battery is draining out, that make the phone shut off completely and not turn on again. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. If the iPhone boots back up, then the not turning on issue you have should be your charge cable you're using, or adapter, or wall outlet. But most of time, adapter and wall power outlet are not that easy to fail as much as the charging cable. So we now checking the cable fails or not. The charging cable breaks so easily across the industry, and the vulnerable past is landing at the plug. We tend to coil the cable when storing it, or bend the cable, and therefore, the charge cable goes wrong and stops working. It's also because we may use the charging cable for a long time from the moment when getting the new iPhone. The actual cord will become frayed and lose its ability to work. So guys, it's obviously now, when you cable worn out, your iPhone will not restart once the battery is consumed and not charging. Okay, go ahead. Check the charging port. It's probably that the charging port and the charger don't make good contact. When you plug in, this is what it should be like. As you can see, it's flush with the bottom of phone. In the case where the charging cable cannot fully plug in, you will see that there's a gap leaving between them. Most of the time, gently joggling the cable around the port while plugging in like this could make the connection active. However, guys, if you're unable to plug your cable all the way into the port, there may be some hiccups in your charging port blocking the connection. Charging ports damage is one of the common problems of an iPhone not being turned on. Your port might block up with dust, debris, and dirt from your pocket, bag or whatever. When the charge port is blocked up, the charge cable when plugged in is not flush there. Therefore, the phone has no connection to charge and turn itself back on. Alright, it's easy to remove any dust and lint that's stuck on the charging port. Now let me show you how to unblock the charging port. I'm gonna use a flashlight to light up around the port, then use a toothpick or something non-conductive, insert it into the port, gently and carefully go from left to right to remove any visible debris. If this works, you'll start to see debris exit the charging port. This is a good indication that the charging port is the culprit. After you've dislodged all nuisance, try plugging into your charging cable. See, it's flush here. Charge your phone again until it reboots up. Keep it charged until it reaches 100% before you use it. This can work if you have a consumed battery. Besides the dirt damaging the charging port, it could either be corroded by humidity if your phone gets wet, or be defective from the continuous plugging and unplugging of the charge cable. Okay, you guys should know what is causing your iPhone not to turn on now. This may save you a lot of time and money to get it back online. Do these basic checks first on your own at home before rushing to repair shop, as you will be always told to replace your whole charging port or the screen when it stays black. A side note here is that if you can't turn on your iPhone even everything is working, try forcing it to restart again to refresh the system. Remember to use correct button combinations depending on your model should you kick on the iPhone. If that doesn't restart your iPhone system, you might need to use iOS System Recovery Tool from AppGeeker. You can find out the download link in the description below. Now open iOS System Recovery on your computer. Click More Tools at the bottom left corner. Choose iOS System Recovery Panel. On the next screen, you can glance over that this software can fix many kinds of iOS issues. Click Start button. Now connect your iPhone that won't turn on to the computer. Choose Standard Mode to proceed. It's a good idea to apply this rather than DFU restore your device to factory settings. DFU restore is quite dangerous if you're not a technician. Go ahead to select the latest version of iOS and download it for your device. Once the download is finished, the software will resolve the problem that keeps your phone from turning on. Wait until the process comes to an end. Eventually, your iPhone boots up to the lock screen or home screen. Any data and settings are still on your phone. No loss here. You will see a lightning bolt in the battery icon at the top right of the device's screen. Okay, it's pretty simple to fix the power issue. Alright, you guys come to the final part talking about hardware issue. Your iPhone won't respond to charge and appears to be turning on. Your iPhone should have signs of damage to the screen. This doesn't mean your touch screen, but we actually mean the digitizer and the LCD screen. It's right beneath the glass touch panel, and we couldn't see it unless the phone is disassembled. For whatever reason, your iPhone randomly shuts off and won't turn back on after you somehow dropped it to the ground or performed whatever physical impact. This is mostly likely the LCD crack, and the connection with the logic board is loosened, which results in an iPhone not responding at all. In this case, you can navigate to support.apple.com, then click Apple Repair to get help from Apple experts. The repair is not free of charge if your device is out of 1-year warranty, though. That's all you got to go, guys. Hope this fix your iPhone that won't turn on. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comments section below. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in my next video.